everyone, my fellow believers and truth seekers. Have a great day. In light of Yehochanan, aka John chapter 10 verse 30, and Yeshayahu, aka Isaiah chapter 7 verse 14, Emmanuel and Yahusha are the words that revealing Yahuwah. That's why they are one. Not one in physical flesh, but one in purpose and essence. The Father is greater than the Son. In context with Yehochanan chapter 14 verse 28. Yet, the Son is the exact representation of His being. And context from Hebrew chapter 1 verse 3 and Colossians chapter 1 verse 15. The Son bear witness to the Father. Sila!